Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the escape sequence character. Now the first question will be that why will we need the escape sequence character? So let's take an example. Suppose I want to print a string Python H full programming and I want to put the double quotes at the start and at the end of the cool word. So if I try to do that as a print X, so you can see here I'm getting the error. The reason is if you see this string, the double quotes was there to indicate the start and at the end of the string. Now here the Python is unable to understand that this double quotes is the part of the string or that is considered as the end of the string. So suppose Python was considering this as a string and then it was unable to read these words. So Python was considering this as a string and then throwing error for this part of the code because this is not a valid Python syntax. So how to handle the double quotes in a string? To resolve that issue, we have the multiple solution. Like I can say x equal to, and I can start a string with the single quote Python each cool programming. So now if I run this program, I will get the output because I have started the string with the single quote, and now the Python was considering this double quote as a part of the string. Another option is that I can start the string with the three quotes and all those. But remember, if we need to use the single quote, double quotes, and everything in a same string, then we cannot do this technique. To overcome from this issue, Python has the concept of the escape sequence. So what that means, let me copy this code again. In this scenario, before the double quote, we have to do the slash. Basically, as soon as you put the slash before the double quote, the Python will consider this as a double quote in the string and not the end of the string. So let me run this program now. You can see here now this code is working because Python is not getting confused between this, that this is at the end of the string. So similarly, like this slash double quotes, we have the another escape sequences also. So for example, if I say x equal to, I will say something like slash n. So now if I run this, so if you can see here, the Python is getting printed on one string and the code programming on the second line because slash n is considered as a new line character. So what happened that during the printing, Python interpreter replaced the slash n with the new line. So let me open the official Python documentation site. So you can see here there are many escape sequence character available in the Python. So suppose if I say slash slash, then this will be considered as a single slash in the string. Let us go ahead and try this. Y equal to abcd slash slash def print y. So you can see here Python has replaced the double slash with the single slash because the double slash is a escape sequence. So let us try with the slash t. So slash t is basically like a tab. So you can see here Python has replaced the t with the tab which is around 4 to 5 characters. So similarly slash quote is the escape sequence for the single quote. Let us try this. You can see here, while printing, the slash quote got replaced with the only quotes. So escape sequence character will be very useful when you want to handling the special character like single quote, double quote, tabs, new line and all. That's all in this video. Thanks to everyone.